Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGUT 251 Research Methodology. The topic number name is Introduction to Research Methodology, Research Methods and versus Methodology. We are talking to learn this topic, what is meant by the research method versus methodology. And now last will be discussed for the different types of which is the different types steps of the research. Now today will be discuss of research methodology and research methods and methodology. Now topic is the already introduction to research methodology. Now meaning and objective of research, characteristics of research, type of research, various steps of research process, research methods versus methodology. Now today will be discussed from research methods and methodology. Now research it seems appropriate and just teacher explain the difference between the research methods and research methodology. Now research methods maybe they understand as all these methods, techniques that are used to conduction of research. Research methods or techniques is refer to the methods of researcher. At times, distinction is also made by between the researcher technique and research methods. Research technique refer to the behavior and instruments we use in performing research operation such as the making observation, recording data, technique and presenting data and like for the research method refer to the behavior and instrument used the selecting and constructing the research techniques. Now for instance, the difference between the methods and techniques, the data collection can be better to understand from the detail given in the following chart. Now this is here will be type of methods and techniques, library research, analytical analysis of historical record, recording notes, content analysis, tape, film listing analysis, analysis of documents, statistical complication and manipulation, reference, abstract, guide and content analysis, participant direct observation, observation behavioral scale, use of scorecards, participation observation, mass observation, mail questionnaire, opinion, personal interview, focus interview, group interview, telephonic survey, case study, live laboratory research, small group study, random analysis, behavior, play and role analysis. These are the some technique maybe do analysis for the cross-sectional selection, data of in situ analysis, longitudinal collection of data, intensive characteristics, use of audio-visual recording devices, use of observer. Means that the different techniques for like of the recording to mass behavior, interview using the independent observer, identification of social and economic background of a respondent, use of attitude scale, projective techniques, use of a sociometric scale, interview use of the detailed schedule and open and close questions, interview focus for attention upon the give experience and anticipate, small give respondent to the interviews stimulously, used to survey technique for information and for discerning opinion, may be also used to following the questionnaire. These are the some different methods and these are the technique. Well, from what has been stated above, we can say that the methods are the some more moral. It is the methods is generate techniques. However, this practice, the two terms are taken into the interchangeable, and when we talk of research method, we know the implication include the research technique within the compass use of the performing research operation. In other words, all the methods which are used by the researcher during the course of studying the research problem and term of research methods. Since the subject objects of research, particularly the applied research, it to arrive to the solution for a given problem, the available data and unknown aspect of the problem have been related to each other to make solution problem. Keeping this view, the research methods can be put the following three groups. First one, the first group is include these methods which are concerned with the collection of the data. The methods will be used, the data already available are not sufficient to arrive the required solutions. The second group is consists of the statistical technique which are used for the establishing relationship between the data and unknown. Now, the third group is consists of these methods which are used to evaluate accuracy of result obtained. Research methods is falling in the above stated last two groups are generally taken as the analytical tool of research. Research methodology is the way of systematically solve the research problem. It may be understood as the science studying the how the research is done scientifically. It is we study the various steps that is generally adopted by the researcher in studying the research problem along with the logic behind them. Now, it is necessary for the researcher to know not only research method technique but also is the methodology. Researcher not only need to know how to develop certain indices, tested how to calculate mean, mode, median, and standard deviation, chi-square test, how to apply particular research technique, but they also need to know which these methods or techniques with the relevant and which are not and what will be the mean and indicate and why. Now, researchers also need to understand the assumptions underlying the various techniques. They need to know the criteria by which they can decide that certain technique by procedure will be applicable to certain problems and other will not. All this means that is necessary for the researcher to design his methodology for his problem as the same may differ from problem to problems. For example, the researcher to design building has the consciously evaluate to the basis on the decision he has to evaluate why and what basis he selected particular size, number and location of doors, windows and ventilators, use a particular material, not on the like. Similarly, the research scientist has exposed the research design to evolution before the any they are implemented. Now he has to specify very clearly, precisely what decision he selects and why they select them so that they can be evaluated by the others also. Now, from what has been stated above, we can say the research methodology has many dimensions. Research method to constitute a part of research methodology. Now, the scope of research methodology is wider than that is the research method when we talk to research methodology. Now, we do not talk the research methods, but also is consider of logic behind the methods. We use the context of our research study and explain the why we are using the particular methods or techniques. Why we are using the others so research result they capable of being the evaluate either the researcher himself by others. Why research study have been undertaken, how the research problem has been defined, in what way, why the hypothesis has been formulated, what data will be collected, what particular method has been adopted, why particular technique of analysis data has been used, and a host of similar the questions are usually answered when we talk the research methodology concerning the research problem or study. Today, discuss with you what is difference between the research methods and methodology. Now, to student will be today will be to stop here. Now, next lecture will be to continue next point. And any doubts, any query, to write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ac.in. Okay, today we stop here. Okay, bye. Good day. Take care.